Hello everybody and a very warm welcome back. I do hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. I got a package out of Spain. I know what's inside and I can hardly wait to open it up, and I thought we're gonna share this together. Before we get into detail, you already know it if you have seen my videos before. I didn't get sponsored, I didn't get a discount, I didn't get it for free. I paid the regular price in the shop of Soul4Real. I saw the announcement for the record, I couldn't resist, I knew I needed to have it, and it's finally here. If you are interested in it, you'll find the link to Soul4Real in the description down below. And I would say, let's open it up, right? Okay. Here it is in all of its glory. Jewel best in and out of love. Wait, let's get rid of the package. I didn't miss anything. All right, this is a collection of songs from her. She did great backing vocals. She had great singles herself. Tremendously well talented singer, and I must say I love the cover art. This is a great one, and it's also been sent out of the jacket. Wow, here is the Soul4Real label, and yeah, let's open it up. Okay, you get it in a clear outer sleeve, which is not which you can reuse, which I always think is great. Hold on. Okay. And here is the cover. Wow, I love that cover art. Okay, what does it say? It says, under the license of Monroe Records, okay, we know that Jewel Bass recordings have over the time developed a global underground following. The fact that Monroe Records used Jewel as a backing singer on so many of their A-list recordings, Johnny Taylor, Latimore, Bobby Bland, ZZ Hill, Dorothy Moore, there were way more. Yeah. Jewel started singing in church, so you get a little background information of this. I will put some snippets on the songs on the back of this video so you can get a very good impression. And also on the website you can hear some snippets. So Jewel also sang in a number of groups over the years and toured extensively. First with the VIPs in 1973. The Palomoys in 1976, and from 1979 onwards with These Days. Then there were some immense vocals on the late 70s project like Carbon Copies, It's a Grey 45, Just Don't Love You, which also featured on the rare Cantara LP with another recording of hers. So here we have some information of her. You get 7 tracks on side A and 6 tracks on side 2. And yeah, there's some unreleased tracks of her as well. The jacket, super thick cardboard. You get the glossy front and a matte finish to the back. That's always very quality. And my favorite part of it, you know, how much I hate paper inner sleeves. So maybe they changed that. But you always have to consider, I think this one I ordered it some time ago. So actually when the announcement came up, I ordered it. I think it was 24 or 26 euro. Yeah, usually it's always also a price thing. And I know by Soul4Real, this is a one person's business who runs it. There are people who help with creating the cover. I also pointed it out that was... who did the art of it? I'm sorry, I drank I'm missing my cup of coffee this morning, but the person who does the cover is tremendously talented. But anyway, like I said, he's a one person's business, and I do get it that sometimes we have to be thinking cost effective, and it's also not a major one of these major labels where you pay like $30, $40, $50 for a high-end quality release, or you pay even more, hundreds of dollars, and you get a box set, and it's also filled up with paper inner sleeves. So yeah, not my cup of tea. This vinyl is absolutely perfect. No paper scuffs, no paper burns, nothing. There is some dust on it, but otherwise this is an absolute. So this is not a scratch. What you see on this side. This is not a scratch. It's paper. I will ultrasonically clean this thing and can't wait to play it. So actually my Saturday is saved. So once again, if you have a chance, like I said, I put some clips on the back of this video and also put the link on the website. If this is something for you, usually these releases are sold out very fast. So if you have a chance and you like it, go and grab it. For this price, you get a quality, really quality release from one person's company. And it's stunning. Also, the music on this is absolutely stunning. So thanks for watching this short unboxing video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time. Have a great weekend. Bye.
I don't trust myself with you, no. There's so much I can't deny. It keeps my love burning.